So if you're looking to make your first $10,000 a month on Amazon, listen here because it's not as far away as you think. So as a brand new beginner or somebody that's never made a dollar on the internet just from their laptop,
I'm kind of new here.
I'm gonna put it simple. It actually is a lot easier than you think to make your first $10,000 in revenue on Amazon.
Easy peasy.
And in fact, you might even be trying the wrong things in order to get there. So if you're new here, I'm Joe. I'm a 7-figure Amazon FBA seller, and as of now, I've been selling on Amazon for over 6 years now, dating back all the way to 2018. And what I can tell you is after 6 years on the platform, it has never been easier to actually get started in selling on Amazon if you do it right. And the thing is, you have to be thinking about the right things. So all of you guys that are just starting now, do not start with some of the models that are a lot harder to start. If you're just looking to get into this business as a side hustle and you're looking to make $10,000 in revenue, maybe $1,000, $2,000 in profit, which is possible, you're gonna wanna look at retail arbitrage. And I know it seems weird.
That's weird, guys.
But that's where the money is in the beginning. If you're just starting with this business model and you're trying to get into wholesale or even online arbitrage, and especially private label, you're gonna add a ton more work than you need to actually get to the goals that you wanna get to. That's the thing. Wholesale, private label, those two models are a lot harder to get into than you think, and they require a lot more capital. If you want to get to 10K a month in revenue right off the bat, you really only need around $2,500 in liquid cash or credit in order to do so. And I know it seems like a lot, but it's not. Let's do some math real quick. So if you're going to do 10,000 in revenue right off the bat, we're going to cut off $4,000 out of that because that's roughly what's going to go to Amazon fees. So now we're down to $6,000, and out of that $6,000, you actually get 2 payouts a month from Amazon every 2 weeks. So if you have $2,500 to $3K to spend on product or on a credit card, you can get to $10,000 a month in revenue. And no, this isn't all perfect, and some of your inventory is not going to sell, especially as a beginner, but that's really all you need in terms of capital to get started with this business and get to 10K a month. Now, if you're somebody that's saying, well, I don't want to do retail arbitrage or online arbitrage seems better, it's really not. Think about it like this. Retail arbitrage, you're strictly competing with the people that are in your area and the stores that you go to. Online arbitrage, you're competing with everybody that can order from the websites that you're ordering from, which everyone can. There's no barrier to entry to ordering from Walmart. There's no barrier to entry to ordering from Sam's Club or Target or any of those sites, for frankly. So if you really want to get started with this model, I highly recommend going and doing the retail arbitrage model. Go to your local Walmart. Go and scan the clearance section. You will find items that you can make money. Go to Sam's Club. Scan everything in the store. You will find items that you can make money. And although it seems like a lot more work, and it kind of is, you can make more profit that way because you're going on the retail side. And think about it like this. Think about how long it would take you to get the same buying price that Walmart is getting from Procter & Gamble or from any of those big companies. You're never going to get there. I'm never going to get there. All of the other Amazon sellers that are making videos like this are never going to get to the buying level of Walmart. So why not skip all the BS and go directly to Walmart and buy those items at a lower price and have a higher margin? All you have to do is get in your car and go there, scan items, bring them back to your house, label them, and send them into Amazon. You will make money. Look for products that have a low sales rank, that are profitable, that you can get ungated in. And yes, ungating is a lot easier than you make it out to be. It's very, very simple, especially going back to when it was a lot harder years ago. So if you're looking to make your first $10,000 a month on Amazon, I highly recommend getting into retail arbitrage and probably even up to 100K a month on Amazon. Retail arbitrage is going to get you the results a lot faster than any other model. And think about it, you're buying the products today, you can ship them off to Amazon today. If you bought them today from online arbitrage, you might not get them for a week to be able to send them out to Amazon. Or if you buy them from wholesale, you might not get them for 6 to 8 weeks. If you're just starting, you don't have the capital or the expertise to stomach that. And mind you, I do know what I'm talking about with retail arbitrage because last year we did over $350,000 in revenue in 1 month just with retail arbitrage. Not a single item purchased anywhere but retail. So take it from me, retail arbitrage allowed us to scale a lot higher than I ever thought we could have. And you can scale all the other business models later on. But if you're just looking to get started and make your first $10,000, I highly recommend RA to get you there in the fastest and most efficient way possible. So if you have any more questions about Amazon FBA or we're looking to take this business to the next level, click the link down below and join our free Amazon FBA community where you can network with other sellers and help you get the results that you want faster. That's it for this video, and thank you for your business.